Hi guys, this is Ahmed Karakian67 to show you how to make a paper airplane. First, you fold the paper in half like that, like this. Once you are done with that, you open it up, and then make the basic triangle. Hopefully you guys out there know how to do that. This airplane is just gonna be a classic one for beginners. So this is how it should look like so far. Now, you fold the triangle, you fold it downwards like that. Make sure the tip is on the line that goes straight down your paper. Now it should look like this. This is where it gets tricky for some people out there. You take this corner, and you just fold it to the middle line that goes down your triangle. Do the same thing with the other side. There we go. Now, your paper, it should look like this. Then, the tip right here, this tip right here, you fold it up. Now, it should look like this. I folded it up like this. Now, it should be like this. Then you fold it backwards like this. Make sure everything's straight. My making my airplane, it may be off, but nobody's perfect, so I'm a beginner still. So you take this right here, and you fold it down. You take this, you fold it down to here. And do the same thing on the other side. Take it down, fold it. Now, you made your basic airplane. For beginners, it flies pretty good. And here, I'll throw it. I don't think I have enough room because it flies pretty good. Here. I'll throw it down there. Hold on. Here. I'll throw it back to the door. Smooth, and it's perfect.